tries to address this issue, even though we all know that this is a prevalent issue happening all around the world. And crypto is the only one making the effort of trying to solve this problem by making financial products more accessible to those unbanked people.
Welcome to Fresh Money, the Philippines' #1 crypto show. So here we're going to talk about, of course, the world of Web3, cryptocurrency, and all the other products that go with it. Gaya na sabi natin, medyo nag-escalate yung war in Ukraine and Russia. No? So Russia is trying to invade, of course, their neighbor, Ukraine. Because I think in the past couple of months or years, actually, Ukraine has adopted a more Western-friendly approach to their policy. So the war is ongoing. The Ukrainian government has actually asked the world for donations in crypto. And so far, they've collected $8 million worth in crypto, in Bitcoin. Very relevant question from one of our customers, si Joe Marbicar. Gaano kalaki ang epekto ng takbo ng crypto markets na nangyaring gera ngayon sa bansang Russia and Ukraine? Salamat po. So just to answer you there, wala naman talaga siyang substantial impact. I don't think there are enough miners in Ukraine or the infrastructure for Bitcoin isn't in Ukraine. No? But what it affects dramatically is the risk appetite of global investors. Parang stocks din yan. Pag may nangyayari somewhere in the world, of course, people are less likely to take risks. And because the crypto markets are inherently risky, it's a risk asset, no? So the appetite also declined. Next news, Jet.
So the Brazil Senate Committee approves a bill on regulating crypto. So if this gets approved, you can see that there will be increase in innovation in Brazil, as Brazil is one of the, I believe, higher adopters and users of cryptocurrencies due to their heavy reliance of high inflation, and they heavily use remittance as well, since remittances is one of the use cases for crypto. So they're really trying to incentivize crypto companies here in order to operate in Brazil, in order to, have a share of the pie of the mining operations in the crypto markets.
Positive news, ano? Kasi not only are they adopting accepting the use of crypto, but they're also trying already to put on the rules that will allow so much innovation. Next news natin, I think it's also quite related to what Jed has mentioned, is that a Mexican senator is proposing a crypto law. In fact, they're even considering Bitcoin as a legal tender.
So it's like promotes financial inclusion, and there's no other technology that tries to address this issue, even though we all know that this is a prevalent issue happening all around the world. And crypto is the only one making the effort of trying to solve this problem by making financial products more accessible to those unbanked people. Our next news, Thailand's stock exchange to integrate crypto trading. I remember I saw a news before that they wouldn't touch crypto because they thought it was too risky, and now they have capitulated and now starting to join all the people who wants to integrate crypto in their own exchange. They were planning to impose 15% capital gains tax on crypto trades, but they received public backlash and revoked that law. So it's really clear that the people want crypto, and the Thailand Stock Exchange is trying to meet that demand.